this gonna be the elevator?
It's like 7 in the morning.
Yeah, it's 7.
This place is still closed, but their elevator's turned on.
Is this Montgomery?
No. Damn.
Wow. This is probably old gate.
It's got GAL. Wow! This thing is cold. It's been sitting all
I
night.
think this panel is.
What just
cool.
turned on? Do you hear that?
I don't know. You wanna set it up?
This thing is weird.
I wanna show the numbers.
That didn't work. Just wait. Now, what is that sound? Listen to this motor. Man, this thing has a loud motor. Too bad that, whatever that sound is.
It wasn't on the first time.
No, I heard it come on as we were leveling the first time. Like the lights
Yeah.
dimmed in here.
Dover. Stop switch.
88 phone right here.
Temporary permit.
Bro, this little thing is pretty loud.
Yeah. There's a phone right there. Very small panel. This one is cool.
Something in the pit is turned on.
Takes a long time to close.